Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video I'm going to be filming this really pretty St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I only filmed the eyes and the lips and the highlight part just because I do my base routine kind of similar. If you guys want to see my base routine, I do it in a lot of my other tutorials, but for today I wanted the main focus to be on the star of the show, which is my eyeshadow or whatever. See, I did this really pretty greenish yellowish look and I love how it turned out. I used the James Charles palette, a little bit of a Juvia's Place palette, and then obviously the Daisy Marquez palette for a pop of color, but I love how it turned out again and I can't wait to show you guys how I created it. Before you guys watch this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be linked in the down bar below as well as the end card of this video. Also you guys, I'm very grateful and I wanted to say before this video starts, thank you guys for getting me to the semi-finalist or as a semi-finalist in the hashtag Sephora squad. Thank you guys so much for all your testimonials and your support. Just keep on leaving testimonials. Even if you have already, you can feel free to leave more if you'd like. Also interaction is key, so follow me on all my social media sites. Tweet me, like all my pictures on Instagram, comment on all of them, comment on my YouTube posts. All interaction counts for this final round, so I thank you guys so much. Even if I don't make it to the final round, I'm just so humbled and blessed to have even made it as a semi-finalist, so this all goes out to God and you guys, so thank you so much. Without rambling on, let's just see how I got this St. Patty's Day makeup look. Hey guys, so starting out with my face already done and one eye finished as well, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden and spreading that around my lid with a flat brush just to get a really good base, and I'm not going to set it just because I want it to be tacky and a little bit damp so my shadows can stick to it. So hopping in and starting this look, I'm going to take this dark green shade from the James Charles palette and take it on a fluffy brush and kind of patting it on my lid first just to get the initial pigment. You guys know how I do, and I'm going to be making this a kind of circle look. I'm not really winging it out, so try not to go outside of the circle of your eye, the roundness of it. Try to keep it on the lid and not so much in the crease. I'm going to be taking the brush again, no new shadow on it, just making sure I blend out the outer edges a little bit before we apply a new shade. Then I'm taking the lighter green next to it from the James palette and just pressing it on top of the outer edge of the dark green. So I'm going to be patting it first just to get the initial pigment and then blending out the outer edges afterward. And I'm taking the yellow color and doing the same thing I did with the light green color, going all the way up to my brow and tapping the shadow first and then blending out the outer edges. Again, I'm not trying to make this a winged out look, so I'm just going to tap it first and keep it in the like circle shape that I already created and just blending out the outer edges as I go. Then to add a little bit of a wet base for the center of my lid, I'm going to take the ColourPop White Concealer and I'm just going to put that in the very center of my lid. Not so much making it a perfect halo eye, I just want to have a wet base so my shimmery shadow will be really pigmented. Then I'm just going to spray my brush with some Mario spray and hop into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and take that center lime green color and put that right over where I placed the concealer. I'm going back into the James palette and taking that dark green we used before and just blending out the outer edges of that lime green just so it doesn't look harsh or anything. Now for the final center shade, I'm just going to go into the Daisy palette by BH and I'm going to take that shade called Slime and put it in the very center of my lid. That's basically it for the eyes, y'all. I'm just going to do the same steps I did on the lower lash line like I did on the top. So I'm just taking the dark green first, then the medium green, and then the yellow, and blending them all on my lower lash line. I also took some NYX matte black liner and put a thin line on my top lash line just so when I put on my lashes the band won't show or look weird. So yeah, just going to do the same steps on the lower lash line. And then for lashes, I'm taking the Baddie B lashes in the style Insta off camera. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm taking my NYX Glitter Primer and putting that in my inner corner so my shade will pop more. Then for makeup for melanin girls, I'm taking their glitter pods, and it's like this iridescent greenish white color. I'm going to put that right over the glitter primer just so we can have a pop in our inner corner. And then off camera, I went ahead and added some yellow liner in my waterline and put on some mascara, but these are the eyes all complete. Ew. Now for the face, I'm just going to take my Anastasia loose highlighter in the shade So Hollywood, y'all. This is a gem. I just like freaking bought it and it's so good, y'all. I absolutely love it and how it looks on me. So definitely cop if you haven't already. So I'm just going to highlight in all my fave places. Then to top it off a little bit more, I'm taking the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Gold Digger and putting a little bit on top. Then to finish off the look, I'm taking the NYX brown lip liner and lining my lips. And to fill them in, I'm taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood and putting that right in the center. Then for gloss, I'm taking the Neat Freak Gloss by ColourPop and Makeup Shayla. It was a collab they did together. I believe it's discontinued, but I know they have a lot of similar shimmery glosses that you guys can look at on the site. I'm just taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, spraying my face, and the look is complete. Alright you guys, this is the end of my St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I haven't played with color in a minute, you know, so I just wanted to, you know, spice up my eyes and do something fun for the holiday. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification below to be notified every time I post a new video. Also follow your girl on all my social media sites. They'll be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. If you guys have not already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It'll be right here, you guys. Thank you once again for getting me to be, I guess how you say, a semi-finalist in the hashtag Sephora Squad. I've come so far and I hope to be a finalist. Even if I do not, I'm just I can't even talk. I'm so like flustered. Oh my gosh. I am just so grateful to even have been chosen as a semi-finalist. It's all to you guys and God. I'm just so thankful. Make sure to also interact with me on all my social platforms, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, everything like that will help me get to the final round, and also leaving more testimonials. Even if you have already, be sure to leave more if you would like. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support and love, and I will see you guys in my next video. And happy St. Patty's Day for anyone who celebrates it. Yeah, happy St. Patty's Day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.